Light Sweet Crude, long-term forecast for the week of July 30th, FXEmpire.com. Light Sweet Crude markets had a relatively bearish week over the last 5 sessions, but did bounce in the end to form a hammer. What's even more important, though, is this hammer formed right at the 90 level, which of course had been so resistive. We just simply had broken out, come back, and retested. 88 proved to be supportive as well, which was an area of an original breakout. So this looks like support is just simply building. With this being said, it's difficult to think of selling this market, and in fact, we wouldn't do it until 84 was broken. We think that a break above the previous week's candle, though, does send us to 100 in relatively quick order. As far as getting above 100, it might prove to be difficult unless, of course, there's some kind of problems in the Middle East, and this is simply because this isn't demand-driven. This is driven based upon the idea of central banks easing. Liquidity-driven rallies can be turned around very rapidly by the fundamentals if the right or wrong headlines come about. With this being said, we'll be fairly quick to take our profits, and we also have to look at this as a larger super cycle between 80 and 110. Again, 110 could be hit, but there's a lot of noise up there, and we feel that currently the environment just doesn't support that, unless, of course, there's, again, something going on with perhaps the Iranians or some fears coming out of Syria.